Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on MIUI version 10.2. I'm using Redmi Note 4. So first of all, let me show you guys that I have MIUI version 10.2 installed on this device. So let me go to the settings and let me tap on the about phone, and here you can see guys MIUI version. I have MIUI Global 10.2 installed on this device. Okay, so let me go back. So in order to take a screenshot, we have to do some settings. So you need to go to the settings of your phone, and after that you need to scroll down and find this additional settings. Just tap on that, and here you need to tap on this button and gesture shortcuts. Okay, so just tap on that, and here we have this take a screenshot. Okay, so you just need to tap on that, and here you can see button and gestures previews. So you can see guys, we have these options. You can use any to take a screenshot, like slide 3 fingers down. In this way, if you slide 3 fingers down from top to bottom, you can see you will get this screenshot. Okay, so I'm doing that. You can see guys, I got this screenshot over here. Okay, and you can find that in your gallery. So let me go that. Okay, so this is the gallery. Let me tap to open it, and here you can see found a new photo. Okay, you can tap over here, and also you can go to albums, and here you can see the recent. Okay, so if I tap on that, you can see guys, this is the screenshot that we just took. Okay, so let me go back to our settings, additional settings, button and gesture shortcuts, and take a screenshot. And also guys, you can use any option. Suppose if I tap on this, if you want to take a screenshot by long pressing the home button. So if I tap on that, you can see we get this pop-up. Long press the home button is a shortcut for launch Google Assistant, replace with the take a screenshot. Okay, so if you get this option, and if you want, then you can tap on this replace and it will be done. Okay, so I am not doing that. And here we have the long press the menu button if you want to do that. So if I tap on that, you can see here we have the preview how you will take this screenshot by long pressing the menu button. Okay, so you will press this, okay, this button, long press, and you will get the screenshot. And you can also use this option, long press the back button. If I tap on that, you can see here we have the back button. If you long press that, you will get the screenshot. So I'm doing that. You can see I got the screenshot. Okay, so these are various ways, but I like this one, slide 3 fingers down. If I tap on that, you can see it's now replaced with this. Okay, so this is the first method by which you can take screenshots. And also just pull down the notification panel, and here we have the quick panel. If I slide down this, you can see more options. Okay, and here we have the screenshot. If you don't find the screenshot over here, you can just go to the next section. Okay, over here, and if I tap on the edit, you can see various options over here. Okay, you can find the screenshot. And suppose if I tap on this screenshot, you can see guys, I got this screenshot of the current active screen. Okay, and you can find that in your gallery. If you don't find that in photos, you can just go to, you can see found 3 new photos. You can go to your albums, and here we have the screenshot, okay, that we just took. So guys, in this way you can easily take a screenshot on your MIUI version 10.2 device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.